Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yes, and in this video I'm going to be cleaning my wheels. Now it's a little bit windy, but my delivery from the detailing shack has turned up. I have got some pre-wash treatment for the car, but that's for another video. But this one is my Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel Clean. Never used any of their products before, so let's give it a whiz, see what it's like. First off, I've got to move the car, try and get it a little bit more central on the drive, which is something I'm going to do. So I'm going to attach my hose to the pipe, lock it on. I'm not going to be using a pressure washer, but I will go and get my hose. Okay, so my long hose is attached. I'm not using my pressure washer, but that may change. Included in the kit, you actually get one of these spray attachment pump nozzles to attach to the bottle. Normally I transfer the products to one of these. It just gives me a bit of better control, but now the product actually sprays on dry, so I don't need to pre-soak the wheels or anything like that. You spray it on. Once I've attached this, obviously, you leave anywhere from 15 seconds for 2 minutes. It should activate, and all I basically want to do is remove some of the stubborn dirt on these back wheels that come from the brake dust, like inside there. And obviously I'm going to have some new tyres fitted soon, and then I may give it back to the wheels a deep clean, which will mean taking them off. But I'm waiting on a little wheel roller to put under the wheels. I'll describe that when I actually get it. No point going on about it just now. But anyway, let's get some before shots, spray some of this stuff on, and then give the wheels a hose down. Right, one thing is suggested to do is shake this really well, which I would do off camera. Yeah, might as well give it a shake, get all the chemicals to react. I've attached the pump action trigger, and all I need to do now is spray it on the wheel. There we go. After a few seconds, you've got to love the reaction that happens. Obviously I wanted to get into the back of the wheel inside there, but that's going to be a wheels off job, I think. Right, whilst I let that soak on, another thing I'm going to do, as you would have seen, is a little hack in my previous video. Yes, my light is full of water, condensation to be exact. So, simple trick that we used to do in the trade. Put a towel over it, start the car, leave the headlight on. The heat should get rid of the moisture, but it doesn't explain why it's getting in. And I've got to be quick doing this because I pinched one of the kitchen towels, so I don't want the missus to know. Right, engine on, main beams on. Let's go and clean the rear wheels off. Well, here we go. If we look at the worst wheel on the car, obviously the inside part, which I've not done yet, the wheel will have to come off. Yeah, but other than that, it's still drying a bit, but just literally with spraying it on, agitating it tiniest of bits, and then rinsing it off, it's done an absolutely mega job. Let's come around to this side. Here we go, and this was also pretty bad, but apart from my curving of the wheel, it's looking really good. I've not been able to do the back dish part of the rim. As I say, they will have to come off, but I will do that, definitely. But that's a noticeable improvement. Just done a little bit under the engine bay, not very much. Just clean this. I've got to get a little mark out of the strut brace, but the plastics have been done, so all's looking good. Obviously next I've got to sort the headlight out. Well, for a first time use, I'm going to say I'm really impressed with that product, and I would actually recommend it. This isn't sponsored content, I actually bought the product myself, and yeah, I think I'm going to be trying some of their other products very soon. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave a comment, and obviously I'll get back to you in the next one.